Now I'm going to create a new job to build our code. So for that I'm going to create a new item, or it's called like the new job, and the job name is the Azure Demo build code. Okay, and select, you can copy from existing configuration. So you can copy from the pull code, and then it will take the configurations from the earlier job. Okay, now you can see the under the source code management we have the Git. So first we are going to check out the code from this Azure repository, and this is credentials, and under the build trigger we don't have any other to trigger automatically. In the build step, coming to the build steps, I'm going to select the build invoke the top level Maven target. Okay, this time we are going to build with the Maven. So now you select the Maven version. So this will be our default version, or you can select the Maven. So we have set up the Maven on this machine. So I'm going to select the Maven, and then the goal. So I'm going to select the install, and the install will create the WAR file after the building the project. Okay, the post actions I'm not going to take as of now. So apply and save. Now we have the build code to build the job. So now build the project by clicking on the build now. Now under the build history, you will see the one job is trigger, that is in progress, and that is going to build the code. So first it is going to download all the pom.xml dependencies. So in my form, if you go to the pom.xml file, you have the some dependencies are there. So first it is going to download all the dependencies, and after that it is creating the build and the build artifact, which we call as the build artifact. Now you can see installing to the warlib Jenkins workspace Azure demo build code, and this is the target, and this is your war file location. This is our war file locations. From there it is going to create the war file. So first copy this location and go to your Jenkins server, and then log in as a sudo. Okay, and now clear, and now go to this location, target folder locations, and under that you can see the .war file is there. So this is our deployment file for our project, and this is also called as the artifacts. The artifact is some created files. Okay, and this is our job which we have earlier created for this one, and these are other things. Okay, so this is how we have set up the Maven on the Jenkins CI server and into the global tool configurations on the web UI, and we have pulled the code from the Azure repository, and we built the code with the help of the Maven, and we saw that the .war file is created successfully. Now it's time to deploy the .war file to the Tomcat server.